My name is Sean Lee. I was born and raised in Cabramatta. I regard myself as Cambodian, but I don't regard myself as like a Cambodian. I'm not quite Australian, I'm not quite Cambodian, I don't fit. We like associate ourselves with like one culture, but in reality it is not very similar to what the real culture is over there back in the motherland.
Hi, my name's Buddha. Originally I was born in Vietnam. There's a big Vietnamese community in this suburb. It is a part of my identity. It's the first thing people see when they look at me.
We form our own identity, separate from the mainstream Australian society and separate from the overseas society back in our parents' home country. It's a dilemma that a lot of young people face growing up, something that we have to deal with once we reach our adulthood, this sense of self and who we really are.
We started learning in school about multiculturalism. We now know it's a good thing. We're embracing new things.
I think our generation was where everyone was brought together and we got used to each other and grew up together.
I've got a Chilean friend, Italian friend, American friend, Welsh, Irish, English. Well, I've always loved food. I started looking up Vietnam, Cambodia, Laos, and Thailand in travel shows. And that's pretty much when I started experimenting with food. So what are you cooking today, man?
Cooking salo maju.
I can't say that, so what does that mean?
It means sour soup.
Oh.
It's literally sour soup. Maju is sour, salo is soup. I asked my mum, like, can you teach me something new? And she said this is a really typical sort of Cambodian dish. We have the galangal, which we just dug up in the garden earlier, turmeric as well, garlic, lemongrass, and lime leaves, and chili. Oh, nice.
Is Cambodian fish sauce the same as Vietnamese fish sauce?
Cambodian fish sauce tends to be a bit more stinky. It's like rotten fish. Ew! My mum never really let me cook in the kitchen either. You know how Asian mums are like? They don't really tell you how to cook. They just expect you to know. And when you don't do it right, they tell you off.
I'm really getting this Cambodians like stinky food vibe. I actually asked my mum for like her family recipe for the thing I'm making today. And she was like, oh yeah, just go on Google.
Just go on Google.
We really do eat with our eyes, but we love food that we can wrap it up and dip it with our hands. We've got some prawns here, bean sprouts, pork belly, a bit of onion, a bit of spring onion, like that. Roll the pan around in a circle. See how it's peeling? That's how you get that crispy outside. And that's why they call it banseo, that noise that it's making. It's sizzling. It's like the sound that things make when they sizzle.
So this is tamarind paste. It's just a fruit. They just pick it, chop it up, brown, syrupy paste, which is like really sour.
A lot of our food is theatrical. A lot of our food does involve us wrapping it ourselves and dipping it in, and it looks great. And it smells a lot better than the smell of the kitchen earlier today. The house smelled like something died and went off. Now it smells like something delicious that I'm gonna eat. Like, I'm just saying, like.
Oh, I can't figure out what your mum's secret ingredient is.
Yeah, no, my mom's got a secret ingredient. She doesn't want to tell me.
It makes it taste different from all other like banseo. It's really nice, but can't figure out what it is though. I'm not going to try to guess out of respect for your mum. I know what they're like, their ingredients.